Hello dear fans. How to calculate the volume of a ball. A ball is called the simplest volumetric figure of a geometrically regular shape, all points of space within the boundaries of which are removed from its center by a distance not exceeding the radius. A surface formed by a set of points that are most distant from the center is called a sphere. For a quantitative expression of the measure of space enclosed within a sphere, a parameter called the volume of the sphere is intended. Instructions. Step 1. If it is required to measure the volume of the ball not theoretically, but only with improvised means, then this can be done, for example, by determining the volume of water displaced by it. This method is applicable when it is possible to place the ball in any container commensurate with it, a beaker, glass, jar, bucket, barrel, pool, etc. In this case, mark the water level before placing the ball, do it again after completely immersing it, and then find the difference between the marks. Usually, a factory-made measuring container has divisions showing the volume in liters and units derived from it, milliliters, decaliters, etc. If the resulting value must be converted into cubic meters and multiple units of volume, then proceed from the fact that 1 liter corresponds to 1 cubic decimeter or 1,000th of a cubic meter. Step 2. If the material from which the ball is made is known, and the density of this material can be found, for example, from a reference book, then the volume can be determined by weighing this object. Simply divide the weighing result by the reference density of the substance of manufacture, V equals m/p. Step 3. If the radius of the ball is known from the conditions of the problem or it can be measured, then the corresponding mathematical formula can be used to calculate the volume. Multiply the quadruple pi by the third power of the radius, and divide the result by 3, V equals 4 * pi * or superscript 3/3, for example, with a radius of 40 centimeters, the volume of the ball will be 4 by 3, 14 * 40 superscript 3/3 is equal to 267,946, 67 cubic centimeters is almost equal to 0.268 cubic meters. Step 4. Measuring the diameter is often easier than measuring the radius. In this case, there is no need to divide it in half to use with the formula from the previous step. It is better to simplify the formula itself. In accordance with the transformed formula, multiply pi by the diameter to the third power, and divide the result by 6, V equals pi * d superscript 3/6. For example, a ball with a diameter of 50 centimeters should have a volume of 3. 14 * 50 superscript 3/6 equals 65,416.67 cubic centimeters is almost equal to 0.654 cubic meters. Thanks for watching.